let's go. Sweet. Whoa guys, welcome back and check this out. This is the package I've been waiting for so many weeks, but what is inside? Haha, gloves, finally, and fingers crossed I'm not a total jackass and I ordered the right size. Finally, I hope. So let's check it out. I mean, come on. This is just beautiful. There's no damage, no loose stitching. So yeah, finally a great product. Let's go. Sweet. Yeah. Oh my goodness, this is perfect fit. Well, what to take from this is, if you want ALPINESTARS gloves, please go size up. Not be dumb moron like me. Just go size up. Let's check the other one. If there's no hidden damage or something. Yeah, this looks nice. No damage. All the stitching is where it should be. No free laces. Nothing. Yes. This is good. Now we're talking. These gloves are amazing. The look of it is really great. That's what I wanted, because it's gonna match my boots. Basically perfect. As you can see, these colors are just the same. That's great. And during the winter, I'm probably going to buy a suit, leather suit, that will match the boots and the gloves somehow. I don't know how yet. That's what I have to design first. And from the safety standpoint, these gloves are the best you can get, in my opinion. Yeah, they are not cheap, but they are still cheaper than a new hand, or hands, if you will. As you can see, there's not really a lot of leather on the palm side of the gloves. I mean, the fingers. There's even just a stretch material in this area, and that's good because you want to feel as much as you can. But all the parts of the gloves that will take a beating if you go down are really good protected. As you see, knuckles, all the knuckles, fingers are connected together, so you have a support for your little finger. There is this type of material that is really abrasion resistant. So yeah, from my point of view, these gloves are amazing. We'll see how they feel on the bike, because I have basically no idea whatsoever. But weather, it's not that great today, so I'm gonna have to pause this and wait for weather to get better. It will be tomorrow, maybe the day after. We'll see about that. But yeah, that's pretty much it, and we will continue in the second part of this video. Ho! Check this out, guys. New gloves on the test. First impressions. Well, what can I say for first impressions from these gloves?
The fit is tight, I knew that. If you have wide hands, these gloves probably won't be a good choice for you, because I'm not sure if they will fit your hands. But other than that, these gloves will need some time for break-in, because they are really tight, really stiff in certain points. So yeah, it's gonna need some time. Other than that, one thing is quite nice: the amount of airflow that I'm getting in these gloves is insane, really. That's great for the summer rides, and I actually love it quite a lot. Downside, let me see. Downside is these gloves are pretty stiff at certain points, as I was saying, so it's gonna take some time for them to break in and fit my hands perfectly. But yeah, it's expected. But anyways, for the price range that these gloves are in, I'm kinda disappointed about this one, because for the amount of money you're paying for these gloves, you should get, I don't know, feels like we should get more than this. Better quality. Even this quality is crazy good. I would probably suggest to get even better quality of the product, because for the money we are paying for this, it would be deserved for us. It would be even fair from the company to the customer. I'm not sure about all the protective parts. I mean, I don't want to scrape the ground now or ever, but it's definitely a step up for me. Definitely step up. My old gloves had just a basic amount of protection. This is definitely better, definitely safer. If I actually crash someday, I hope I will not, but better be prepared than sorry. We'll see. As you can see, these gloves are crazy looking, insane. There's not really a lot of protection on the palm hand side, which is kinda bummer, but you can't have both from both worlds. You either have feel or protection. There's no way around this one. So these gloves on the palm hand side are all about the feel, which is great, which is really great, because I really feel handlebars and levers quite nice. So that's a step up also from the old gloves. I mean, I'm not throwing away my old gloves, because I quite love those, so I'm intended to keep it for, I don't know, colder months of the year, because there's not really a lot of vents in the old gloves. So yeah, I don't know. Yeah, the wrist stripes are a lot better. I mean, a lot. That's insane. At least something is really great. So yeah, in overall, I'm not sure if these gloves are like 10 out of 10. Not for me. Sorry, not for me. I would rather have something different. Maybe that's a big if. I wanted these gloves, so I got them, and I'm gonna have to get used to them. It's gonna take time, that's it, and time is something I kinda kinda have. Not every day, but sometimes, yeah. So yeah, let's continue for the unbox video, and this was kinda a short review and first impressions, and take care, ride safe, and see you next time. Peace.